Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can download your Hostinger invoice. Whether you need it for accounting, tax purposes or just to keep a record of your purchase, downloading invoices is a quick and easy process. So let's get started. First of all, open the web browser on your mobile device and go to Hostinger's official website, which is www.hostinger.com. From there, click on the hamburger option and click on login to make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are logged in, you will be redirected to the Hostinger's dashboard. Now navigate to the billing section and from here click on the option saying payment history. Here you will get all the payments that you have made for your different subscription. Among those subscription, click the payment detail which you want to download the invoice for. From there, you will be redirected to the Edge panel through which you can control all the settings for your account. And in your Edge panel, you can see an option saying export.csv. So simply click on it and this will download all the information related to your invoice such as the payment date as well as payment amounts and different information as well. And now you know how you can download the invoice from the Hostinger. And if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and comment down if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.